Manje mina bengikhuluma no Steve outyamu likwele athi athi angcinisa ukuthi bayigayi trophies izini
Mayicala.
bese kuyadlalwa nje
Dlalela number 2. Yeah.
unabi uthi ngiliwinile i-trophy which means ngiachievile something because for the last 10 years i-Chiefs ayiwinanga for goal wena uyavumelana ngalento esho
Ngiyavumelana naye mfethu. Remember ukuthi ushilo ukuthi mfethu ngisazobuilda. So yilento lebesisho ukuthi u Rivero makafika uthe ngiyabuilda bamnikeza i3 years and makafika bawina i-trophy. Wabamba umoya.
SuperSport United mfethu bafethu kwenzakaleni bafethu kwenzakaleni lama team lawa mfethu bewahlala ku top 8 number 5 number 4 but this year kubhedile mfethu and uthinkla baze bamkhomba igate yo uTyson umdoko
Ntwana, don't say that.
awutham with all due respect uTyson uTyson uvele wachincha uTyson ama mistake awenza ucosta i-team lamfana lo sanibonani ma South Africa mahle sanibonani ma Africa mahle sibuyile futhi this is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis and I'm your host bafethu and we shuffling Diski Ringers namhlanje's episode so ringa nje ngebedway premiership as sazi ukuthi ileague seyiphelile and yeah we'll discuss ama team ayenze kahle the coaches we'll discuss the players so discuss nje yonke into and whatever esikhulumayo thina la kule platform yethu it's our opinion yabo because football it's a game of opinions so asisho ukuthi rewards bakawufela mara you know it's just our opinion and this episode is brought to you by eBetJets. Click the link below to register and use code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. Use JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register bafethu eBetJets. Angihambi ngi1 niyazi ke ku GMDS shuffling Diski Ringers athi sizihlafune lendaba ngihamba nomfowethu lana knowledge sense of knowledge isikhokhelwayo ntwana what a long season wena mfowethu Sundowns retaining their cup the league and sebayiwine kwes8 ne 8 in a row. And in the history of PSL, I think last time nyenze a mistake.
Yeah, it's 15.
I said 17, yeah, but nyenze nje a mistake. They by winner was 15.
15, yeah.
Was 15 manje, yeah. And we would like to say congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns, and also okay. Before congratulations to Imagesi, in terms of first season yabo in the top flight, but they've managed to win Icaling Black Label. Congratulations to them, and congratulations again to Kaizer Chiefs also again to win a Nedbank Cup after 10 years. Teaming are winning next.
Orlando Pirates
and Orlando Pirates also for retaining M108 ne? Yeah, for retaining M108. So all the teams as we need a cup this season as GMDS we say congratulations and Ntwana Gamban.
Yeah, greetings to the viewers at home. My name is Busiso Mahlangu, aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on JMDS. Yeah, Jabu, as you say, Mfana, it's been a roller coaster of a season, and yeah, we've seen the winners that are recognized by FIFA or by the Confederation, which is the CAF. ngikhuluma ngamagama kaNabi
Yeah.
ngimzwe manje and ingiklikele nami lento makayikhuluma ukuthi the confederation recognizes the winners. Ungaba number 7 ube ku top 8
Or ungabi ku-top 8.
abakurecognize barecognize labantu laba that have won something kuleyo
Yeah.
season leyo.
Yeah.
So njengoba usho, we are recognizing Sundowns for winning the league, we are recognizing iMagesi for winning iKaling, we are recognizing Orlando Pirates for winning the MTN, and also Kaizer Chiefs. These are the most important teams, or the teams that did well kule season lesidlula kuyo. Laba abanye, whether you're in the top 8 or not, I think Unabi was right, man. You need to win something this season. Whether ukhona ku top 8 or awukho kuyafana.
Mfethu ngeke.
Hayi magama kamqeni.
Hayi mfana ngeke knowledge.
So who did well? Just someone who won a cup and someone who put number 4. Who did well this season? According to when?
Yeah. Hey, to be a champion mfethu, yeah, it's
something.
It's something. It's
Ubuyena something
Yeah,
ekhaya.
uphethe something ekhaya, which I think mara zibalulekile zonke.
Mara yeah, abe sengisho just
Yeah,
because
ngiyakuthola.
Nabi said it, and I'm also trying to create ilontuzane a conversation amongst ourselves and our viewers at home. But mase sibheka vele ngesibhola according to football.
Yeah, achieve something.
Yeah, achieve something, but ileague yegejayo as a team ukuthi uplane kanjani isizini yakho, and whatever label we planile ukhonile uku-implementa where you consistent in your performances, because ukudlala i-cup game nokudlala i-league vele akufani.
Yeah.
Ngithola ungadlala i-cup game uchayise lapha nalapha
Yeah.
uthole ku-final so winile. Uyangithola, but
Yeah.
it's just nje i-trigger something engqondweni yami ukuthi maybe even at home abantu abathanda ibhola, maybe we might debate about it and look at it ukuthi what exactly is really important, to win something or to finish good top 8 or good season yakho. So I don't know, it's something that we can debate about and talk about as ama football fanatics.
Yeah, but no ngiyakuthola mdladla. Yeah, ama cup is like ibonus mdladla. Extra money futhi for the players.
Yeah.
And also for the team, of course, because the prize money, most of the team angisho bathatha half, and then ama players are share a half. It's only Sundowns, if I'm not mistaken, engathathi inyuku bazithathele i-trophy inyuku ishare ama player. But wakhuluma something mfethu in our previous episode ukuthi we don't really talk nge-Sundowns the way they deserve,
The way we should, yeah.
the way we should. So again 73 points mfethu,
Mfana.
1 draw, 3 lose the whole season, 65 goals scored,
Eish, mfana.
13 considered. Hayi Sundowns bafethu yashaya.
That's dominance, Baba.
That's dominance,
Total
too.
dominance.
65 goals
Yeah.
ebawakorile mdladla. And yeah, we have to say congratulations and siyajabula futhi ukuthi iSundowns they must keep that level,
Yeah.
that standard. Sishilo sathi manje sisabhayisikele. If iStellenbosch sikhona ukukhipha intwana kuma development sibe consistent kanje,
babo number
yabo
3.
babo number 3, akusena excuse yenyuku kumele kusipane. So I think iSundowns mfethu no ilevel yabo iphezulu kakhulu, sihlezi sikhuluma ngayo iphezulu kakhulu mdlala. What was your highlight wena ngeseason eMamelodi Sundowns?
You know, iSundowns change ama coach. I don't know whether to say guy 3, but okay. Rulano uhambile kwangena uManqoba, Manqoba wahamba kwangena uKhaduso. But what is interesting is that they still kept I formula yabo of winning. They still kept the culture yabo of winning, and standard astropanga. Things might change a little bit lapanalaba in terms of playing and playing personnel, but in terms of we know we Sundowns, yeah dominator, we know we Sundowns, yeah winner, and Leo culture iqhubekile ku Sundowns, and it's not easy to, but to me it talks about I don't think iqala lapha egroundini. Top management besiyayehla. It's how they run the team. There's some structures that were put in place, and all of us being lovers of Coach Pitso, most of people say Pitso Mosemane that put the structures, the winning formula, the winning mentality that is at Sundowns right now. But if I go Pitso Mosemane, and I also believe we have bigger structures now, and till today I believe abantu abaye basala laba they continued with the same things, with the same culture and the mentality yokuwina at Sundowns, and big ups to them. The only thing that can happen now is for the other teams to catch up. It's for our supporters way to our the football lovers to say, don't fight Sundowns and try to mock them and say they have 59 supporters. Talk to your teams and say, guys, you need to catch up with the Sundowns, because if the fans are not gonna face the reality, if they're not gonna face and talk to their teams and say, guys, we need to compete with the Sundowns, Sundowns, and it's not helping a country, because I would always say this, Mina. The country needs a Kaizer Chiefs that performs very well. The country needs a Pirates that, because these are the three biggest teams in the country, and you can't have a top team or the biggest team in the country in top 8 for that matter. It's an issue that we need to look at, be serious without joking. It's uncalled for. They have all the resources. The other day I was at Naturena, I was in awe. It's you forget that you are in South Africa. If you've never been to Naturena, Google Naturena and check that place. If you are in Gauteng, or if go and visit Naturena and see the investment that was done, or that was done by Dr. Kaizer Motaung. It's massive, Joe. And to see that team struggling like this, I am party gahle. But let me not take away the shiny Sundowns. I was only trying to say they need to catch up. All these other teams, they need to catch up. But Mamelodi Sundowns, whatever that they are doing, izosiza a country going forward. The standard says football has spaghetti, we are born now. And it's partly due to what Sundowns are doing.
Yes.
Whatever that they are doing, I hope they can hold maybe my workshops or whatever that they can do just to help the other teams to come up and play at the same level with them.
Banceda kanjani manje mfethu bahlasela phela wathi unikeza abantu ama-tips oyolwa naye.
No, but at the end of the day, it benefits the whole country, man. The country, we need to step up because sometimes if it's Konamanyama games on a job, I won't mention teams' names.
Yeah.
Poor. The basic. Standard, Panama basics, and we cannot have players playing in the Premiership who don't have basics of playing football. So we talk to scoutings, teams, scout team, player gahle. So can be nyugu phambili, players that are talented. Actually, makasi badlala tournament wasemakasi, because why? Players are talented abana nyugu. So the players that are playing maybe kuma PSL.
Yeah.
So we're losing a lot of talent because of ezinye izinto ezenzakalayo around our football.
Ne-internet mdlali.
Yeah.
Umuntu uyakhona phela ucompiler a video ye5 minutes la yenza kahle khona.
Yeah.
Uyabona uma ungena lapho uthi hey
unzima lo muntu.
Unzima lo muntu kule 5 minutes.
Yeah.
mbize mnikeze 90 minutes yamampela umbhekile
Yeah.
uphambana nalo. I think but iSundowns mdladla uthini ngo coach Cardoso, because nesikhathi afika I think first 2 games nyana kule kwaba nento engathi
Yeah.
hayi man lo ngathi akekho mnandi, but it seems ukuthi manje no say we bambile because like ushilo I still feel iSundowns noma idlala vele identity isafana noma ingatshintsha lapho nalapho because vele abo coach angeke bafane
Angeke
phela,
bafane,
like
yeah.
uyabona, but the identity, the style of play, it's still there. And the only thing engicabanga ukuthi mina mhlambe mele manje ba iSundowns izame mhlambe uku improve kuyo is to trust ama player abuya ku development,
Yeah, that's a big one, right, Ntwana.
because azikhona ukudlala lentwana lezi.
Yeah.
Yes, ngiyazi bakhona bolihla babafaka, but as
But
we honest,
Abasabafak, when the season started, I think Umangoba tried to play them abulitlaku.
yeah, that's why ngithi
And- But manje
iyo nje
sebabakhipha nokhoza naye akasadlali manje
azange limali ukhoza.
or walimala.
I think uke walimala yana ile yamphazamisa, I think injury yana, but because manje izophula labafana abancane umoya abadlala ku DDC.
True.
Understand ukuthi kuyafana every season kuthengwa abantu ngaphandle, South Americans, which is fine, we don't have a problem with that. But I'm just saying now they need also to
Find the balance.
find the balance, yeah, ukuthi intwana epromotiwe idlale, because singabala pheka lentwana le ubani mahalo ubani
Magalo.
Lo
Lo
Sikhukhuni,
Yeah. Keletso Magalo.
Keletso. Hayi Keletso. Yo. Yeah, but Bamudimo. Look at that boy.
Yeah.
That boy is one he was very is a very influential player for Isikhukhuni.
Yeah.
And for mina ngamfaka kuma nominations for a player of the season.
Yeah.
Uyangithola ukuthi mlantwana
Great
le because
season, yeah.
lantwana imnandi inzima nzima. We understand baningi man.
Yeah.
These young players bazithi kancane. I think mabangazama ukuthola ukufind that balance so that I'm a product wabo nabo. I mean, look at the Pirates.
Yeah.
Core of the team it's DDC, it's
These young
development.
boys, yeah.
Yeah, but you understand. But other than that, I congratulations again to Sundowns. And now manje baku final eCAF isandle C1 siyibambile le trophy.
Yeah.
Shoda nje ukuthi lesesinye sithi yabona bese bayiphakamisa bafaka i-star, and I think it's not going to be easy against the Pyramids. Sibonile last week ukuthi kwenzakaleni Pyramids Sundowns conceding 90 minutes plus.
Yeah. In fact, last few seconds.
Yeah,
Of the game.
90 minutes plus.
Yeah.
Yabona. So for me now, because it's the Champions League, mdlala. Champions League is it's Champions League. It's the best teams in Africa. Rightly 1-1. So that lapha kunyiwe, because we want to see
Yeah.
proper Champions League match.
Yeah.
Angazi uyangibamba nje.
We need to be on our toes.
Yeah,
Mama
we need to be on
Sibonelelo.
our toes,
Yeah,
exactly, for the whole 90 minutes.
Yeah.
Asifune enye team iswak
Kube
enye
nice, yeah.
yama obvious. So but and I still fully feel and believe ukuthi iSundowns inayo experience eyokudlala under pressure. Anyway,
Yeah.
anyway. And they must succeed.
They've mastered that.
Yeah, they've mastered that. So it's not gonna be easy against Pyramid, but we bonagajan. But I still feel ukuthi they will win it. It's Jobang shit. It's not gonna be easy, of course. It's not walk in the park, because the Pyramid nabo they don't hold back. They play open game. Ngicela ukubona i-team mina edlala i-CAF Champions
Yes,
League
in North, ne?
eyase North,
And they play fair.
and they play fair.
Yeah.
Ngiyaqala mdlala abo Al-Ahly, you know, badethi abo Esperance mabadlala away they bayawa ba Russell referee, they do all those delay tactics, and game vele ayibukeleki
Yeah.
kahle kahle game, but these guys i-pyramid. And the team le I think if I stand to be corrected, the team yango 2006.
Yeah, it's a fairly new team. Yes.
That's why enough my fans
Yeah.
like Al Ahly ne Zamalek ngada.
Yeah.
But look at the success ebakuyo and the style of play, the brand of play. Badlala ibhola elimnandi mdlala.
Yeah, no, we need to commend the Pyramids. I think they've because we all expected ukuthi they will play very the typical North football,
yeah.
but they came out different. Starting Sibabonenge Pirates here in South Africa, they attacked the Pirates, and we went Elontuzaneni in Egypt. They did the same thing. So Sundowns should expect the same. These guys are gonna come at us as well. So it's not going to be easy. But Mamelodi Sundowns have played stadiums Al Ahly, Red Sea, good red Lapia, and they managed to conquer. So I still believe they can do it. It's just a matter of mentality. They need to be strong. They don't need to take things for granted and say, this team, I know my supporters like Al Ahly, and it's a final of the Champions League. Anything can happen there. So they need to be focused for 90 minutes and want it and be hungry for it. Because you are already there, Mfethu. And for me, player for player, pound for pound, Sundowns has much better player than that team.
Yeah.
So they are in an advantage for me now. And if they don't win it, it would be a huge disappointment for me and for South Africans. Not only Sundowns fans, but for South Africans.
So, enye into futhi is lo mfana lo bani number 10 uRibeiro ne
Yeah,
mfana number 10 ushowapile
said it
ku semi final because iyo nami enyiwari like iwari nyana ukuthi man ku Champions League akakori like regularly and ayukuthi udlala kabi. He's never had like bad game, no, but I was expecting more, man, go Champions League because already with PSL simbonile what he can do and uRise at a very important time ngale game first leg clear and scoring that beautiful goal also. Umbona kanjani mfana uRibeiro?
It's important for every team ukuthi their talisman ukuthi arise to the occasion. Maui star player ntwana when everyone or when the chips are down, we are looking at you.
Yeah.
Uchabu Pulemela Vele and carry the team. So that's what Urebiero needs to do for his Sundowns. He did it manje. At least he scored. I expect him to do the same Egypt and carry the team. He's the man to go to. He's got the goals. He's got the pass. If he doesn't score, create something for us. Play. Show that you want to win this thing. They can just take the ball like teams cannot plan for Ilontuzan a star player. You need to be creative now because for me, those guys they study game. They know so they've studied. So he needs to come up with the way you okay. People know maybe even Nama analyst with Sundowns, they need to help him. Boy, this is what you need to do. Goma situations are so and so. Change. If they do this, if they close, because he plays always going inside, try to find the pass or dribbling. But once they close, la parat,
yeah, that's why and right because right and next season it might be very difficult for him because Sebayamaz is only one-sided. Yeah. He's not like too creative.
So they'll always direct him. So once Barbama Batvalanga, just stand on this side, show him the other way. So once they show him Agasabi in a plan, then he will turn and try to play back. Because remember now, what happens is they try to be conservative when they play because of the final. Stakes are high. So now what happens? Mhlambe Umudau does not push too much. Akasa push cool. So now once he's alone there, Bavala Pagati, he does not have the support outside yakamudao, because umudao now he's a little bit cautious. So they're not going to create chances amaningi. So they need to come up with a plan yogenza uRibeiro ukuthi adlale.
Okay. Yeah, no, bafethu. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates. Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringasi. Namhlanje bafethu this episode sizixoxela nje nge-PSL. And yeah, congratulations again to Mamelodi Sundowns, well deserved. Mdladla mina angazi ukuthi eyiphi team ezoceda i-domination ye-Sundowns. Hey, it's bestay Pirates for the last 2 seasons.
Yeah.
Hey, hayi i-Sundowns mfethu hayi.
Asibanike enye 3
Yeah.
season VV. Laba ababhethayo la ku Betjet. Makuqala isizini better ukuthi Sundowns yowin league. Ngathi bathi vele umkotla uthi phela mawubheje kusese early.
Oh.
Yeah, umkotla uthi.
Manje mina bengikhuluma no Steve out likwele athi angcuni Sundowns bayigayi trophy season
Bayikala.
bese kuyadlalwa nje.
Dlalela number 2. Yeah. Ayikho.
Asichipa nje ukhuluma enye athi araba bagayi.
Abagayi.
Kudlaliwe nje.
Because akubonakala into
Because
ukuthi
ayikho team esondelayo lapha.
Hayi.
But well done, good job, Mamelodi Sundowns. Okay, lastly, sesidlula because we have so much to touch on. Amanye ama-team abo Stellenbosch, na i-Pirates, Sikhukhune, yabona, uMamkhize usikhawathile. Yeah, utheni bathini konje?
Disrespectful.
Ah,
We put the league into disrepute.
Yeah, uyisho wenzeni?
She brought the league into disrepute.
Kakhu umoshile, bra. Umoshile, but futhi abo SuperSport nabo Cape Town City, I'm sure but hey siyabonga ngoba akuna automatic relegation.
Relegation.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so kuyodlalelwa still have a chance yokudlala ama playoffs.
Yeah.
But I'm fit to Royal AM fit. We have to say it in fit. I moshile and it was an embarrassment ukuthi league izophela ngama team ay15 out here. No, it's an embarrassment out here.
And not only that, a
No,
lot of people
no.
lost their jobs. Players, backroom staff. There's a lot of people that were involved with the team that lost their jobs because of, I don't know, kwenzakaleni lapha kuleya team leya. But yeah, impilo zabantu mfethu lezi. People when they come to football, they must think ukuthi they are coming to football and then kunabantu abasebenzayo la. So ungazi mfethu for your own ego because ufuna. That is why I'll always hate a football or a football team that run on tenderpreneur.
Yeah.
Because it's not sustainable.
Hayi, mama sebakuvalele bangasakuniki imisebenzi or leadership ichangeile political awusakhona ukuthola umsebenzi. So
Yeah.
abantu bayakhawatheka manje.
Uyangithola? So I hate that, and is a rumor that the SuperSport is being sold to Celtics. I think the only thing that they're waiting for now is bafuna ukubona ukuthi SuperSport ya survive. And if it survives, iye Bloemfontein. Good for abantu base Bloemfontein, but it's bad because umuntu opusha lento is a politician. Okay, 18.
Minister.
Minister. Uyopusha lento lena. What happens when he's a minister of something again? And then akasabanikezi labantu azabe mhlambe i-team yakhe behind, and then there's what. The team is gonna struggle again. Uyangithola mfethu. Let's get proper people. Whoever, it's an appeal to our Dr. Ivan Khoza to properly vet abantu ababhaya ama-teams.
Yeah.
Can't
Yeah.
just give
Yeah.
abantu team mfethu. It's bad. I mean, if it's true vele yava SuperSport, you know, a country is gonna lose so much if SuperSport goes. If we're not gonna have a SuperSport anymore, it's not just a SuperSport, but it's the whole country, because SuperSport does not produce players for SuperSport. It produces players for the country. It produces international players. Just look at players maybe for the past ever since like
No, 10 years.
yabakhona.
Yeah,
SuperSport
yeah,
produces
yeah.
players that will go and play for your big teams.
Yes.
And proper players.
No, that's true, mdlala.
So
ibalulekile SuperSport
development
in
is
terms of
SuperSport
development. Yeah.
blind.
Yeah.
When
yeah.
they scout balibona players sesena 13 14 ukuthi
Ten, yeah.
iyoba vele international player.
All of them aboronweni mbule afike bayintwana 10. 12.
Uyangithola mfethu.
Uyangi-
So
understand.
it's sad to see a team like SuperSport Ivaya and there are no people coming to say let's rescue this team.
Okay. Then i-highlight yakho mfana ye-PSL yonke sesidlula ku-Sundowns. I-Pirates izamile icale ngathi no izoyipush i-Sundowns,
Yeah.
but they lost it along the way, and the coach Ribeiro, I mean, he did a sterling job with Orlando Pirates. We see the dignity of Pirates. You know, Pirates, they are now they've been cup specialists for the past two seasons or towards 3 years. Lumchita alibele alapa, and but there was a rumor or something ukuthi bekakhumbule ekhaya ufuna ukuvaya hawu nini mase sika announce ukuthi uyavaya sekuthiwa uya eEgypt, because nami bengizibuza ngithi ukhumbula ubaba omdala kanje ukhumbula kanjani uyosebenza i-coaching uyazi uzokuhambisa yonke
ukhumbule ekhaya ufuna uandile lo
bekumele simbhalele bekumele aye ukukhumbula ekhaya. But it turned out ukuthi it was not true.
Yeah.
Uthini wena ngaloko mfethu? Who do you think iPirates ingamconsider, because ayikuthi into ekhona bengizwi ayikuthi ngizothini? Okay, thingathi bengizwile thingithi for example uBenny ukhona, yes uyacoacha le eKenya, but if mhlambi team ingamfaka ingathi mhlambe indoda uyakhona na, or mhlambe naye ufakile amaphepha. So ucabanga ukuthi ucoach we-Orlando Pirates ozoza, whoever coach mdladla, kumele kube ucoach onjani? Because i-standard se-Pirates, yes abawinanga i-league, but si-high. They are cup specialist currently
And
for
they
the
have
past
the
few
players.
seasons. Yes,
They have the players.
and they have quality young players
Yes.
from their academy.
Yeah. Yabona mina mfethu, personally, it's my personal feeling. The only coach I think was going to do better at Paris next season was Coach Pitso Mosimane.
Why?
One, that guy can take the pressure, and he's proven to us by going to Al Ahly. So the Pirates, manje, we all know ukuthi kumele win the league. And even the supporters, ama-cup seba right now. But in the league, manje. Just like i-Sundowns, when you win the league for i-Sundowns, angazi kushayele kakhulu izandla.
Yeah.
Because
Bafuna
umanqoba
i-Champions League.
bekazoyiwin the-league.
Yeah, vele.
So
Ngiyavuma.
uCardoso bamlethe because they want i-Champions League. They believe ukuthi Cardoso will win the Champions League for them. So that's why bahambisa coach Manqoba. So even at Pirates, you can come and win the trophies. It's fine. But now we want the league. You understand?
Uyithola kuphi?
That's what
Uyithola kuphi
they must
le
go
league?
and get it to Sundowns, and
Kumele baye laphayana.
the only person I feel can go Ireland is Coach Pitso. And with the team that Pirates has now, I think the players are there.
So uncikazi ushuthi ingamsinda because he's been there.
I doubt, Joe. I doubt.
Ushuthi
I
ingamsinda
highly doubt izomsinda ntwana.
kanjani ntwana? Like mhlambe yini into
Le-
eyiwani?
okay, angeke ngimkhulumele kakhulu because angimazi personally ne.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma mina ngomuntu engimaziyo personal uCoach Pitso ukuthi uyakwazi ukuplana lo yamjida.
Kabuhlungu.
Uyakwazi ukuplana and the biggest downfall your Pirates, I'll tell you, was being inconsistent. They will go and play other games and they will draw a game expectanga. Pela, to win the league, you don't need to beat the Mamelodi Sundowns. Beat the other ones. Be consistent. When you play my case, bashai. when you play Shaya Ndota, even if you go and play Sundowns Shy, it's still fine. You would lose 2 games.
Yeah.
You would lose 2 games, but when you play the other teams, make sure you collect maximum points.
Okay.
It's as easy as that.
All right. So are you saying wonke lama team aku top 8 aya deserve? Mamelodi Sundowns, of course, they are the champions. Pirates, Pirates, Stellenbosch, Sekhukhune, TX Galaxy, Amazulu, Polokwane City, Richards Bay. Ama top 8 lawo.
Richards Bay surprise you.
Mfana bengisafuna ukusho kanjalo ngithi ebazilwele labantu.
Yeah, balwile.
Yeah, no,
Biggest
we have to
surprise.
give credit where it's due. Babalwile, and then now they've got a young team.
Yeah.
Not like young cool, but they've got young players. Ezimnandi, especially that boy with striker Umbuthuma.
Umbuthuma, yeah.
Hey, I love that boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a typical striker.
Yeah.
And Jaspana. And I don't see him last Alapana go to chess pin.
Of course.
Yeah, I think
no, he's a goal scorer, yeah. He's a goal poacher.
Yeah, and the man umnandi. Uyashota nje kancane, ngebasic lapho nalapho ne kancane, but umnandi. I like him. Nalentwana kaTsoko nje ubani umu. Mara kubani intwana kaTsoko. Yeah, I just forgot the
Where to?
Yeah, intwana kaTsona yo imnandi kakhulu. Imnandi kakhulu yantwana, and Polokwane City baqale kahle. I think the first half of the season they were there.
Yeah.
Top 5. Yabona nani, but I think second half of the season baile bashawa ama injury at some point amaningi, and because abana that depth teamini yabo, and ibakhawatile wena mawi chairman eyiPolokwane City manje, would you still give Coach Phuthi, which I feel good he has done well. Njoba ngisho second half, yes, he dropped a lot of points, but because first half win ama points abhaya.
Yeah.
That's why akhonile ukuthi is still go top 8. Wena ungamgaya any chance, or you will go for maybe more experienced coach for next season, Maui Polokwane City chairman, based on the performance of the team this season?
I would definitely give him a chance, based on the fact yokuthi he's a young coach, and I think it was his first season a coach I won proper I head coach, and you know, when you plan your season, he planned the season when there be pre-season, pre-season yaqala season ama plan wakhe, they worked for him, but maqala zithi second round ama injuries wamshaya.
Yeah,
but that tells you of experience. So for me, I think he has learned. There's something I fundile, because coaching mfana iyang experience as you know ukhula nawe
as coach
experience.
Oh, okay.
Uyangithola experience phela means ukuthi going through something.
Yes.
So uyangithola.
Yes.
So he's gone through this season, and then wabona ukuthi okay, second round yami ngibhedile ngishayeke kuphi nakuphi, maybe because of maybe I had a thin squad, maybe I need to have a bigger squad, maybe I need, he knows, he already knows makayo planner for the season lena ukuthi okay mele ngenzeni to do better, especially makuzoqala second round, because the first part of the season he did well, so he knows what he did. For a second round la failure corner, he will try to fix those mistakes. So mayoqala letho omunye umuntu, number one, you are killing the man, and he's a South African coach. We do need coach afana na, we do need to have a bigger pool of South African coaches that would do well for the country, and I see him as one of those coaches that in the future would be one of the best. So Mina, I would definitely give him a chance, because I believe that he would do better, because he would have gained more experience going to the next season.
Okay, all right. And then the TX Galaxy, okay, nabo not bad, because nagu bagu number 5. Mina, the team that I'm looking forward ukuthi ngiyibone next season kodwa it's AmaZulu uAtazwana. I think uAta he was not bad. In my opinion or in my view, I think I'm just hoping ukuthi abozungu, the Zungu families bazomnikeza any opportunity. Yabona, to continue because naye ungene uqale nayo isizini. Yeah, you understand. So yes, yabona, that's why ngithi he was not bad, and not the way the brand of football AmaZulu idlalayo. I mean, look at I can talk about the player like Human under coach Atta. His game went up, improved. Yabonabo STN also their game improved. Muremi also his game improved. So I think uyayi deserve I chance lapha kwaMaZulu akwazi ukuthi aqale nabo I pre-season yabo and plan proper.
But what do you think is his strength, Coach Atta, when since you played with him, you've watched his team play, yini strength sakhe yena as a coach?
I think now he's a very disciplined coach.
Okay.
Yeah, well, even in his playing days, he was very disciplined.
Yeah.
He was straight.
Yeah.
Uata, and he likes a player and a skill. You understand? He likes a player and a skill, and it seems ukuthi njoba ngisho ngimentionile ama player ngomentionile abo Human abo Muremi STN nalomfana weKhaladi uBrooks. uBrooks mfethu for mina by now bengitshela ukuthi uzobe seka national team player lo mfana. Umnandi lo mfana. Yalazi ungikhumbuza uSteven Pienaar Nhleke. Unama similarity exactly njengo Steven Pienaar.
He was part of the national team.
Ngiyakhumbula. Yes, he was part of the team. So I think Coach Atta is a coach that likes those kind of players, aba talented, who can decide the games and who are creative in tight moments of the game. And the most important thing is he gives them freedom to express themselves. Obviously, ngendlela right njoba bahlale basho ukuthi you can't dribble ehafini yakho. You're wasting your energy ufika nini le. But once you are good the last third of the opponents, he allows ama wingers wakhe and midfielders to be free, and I think that's why it made 4 or 5 players and the whole team to improve a bit. Ngalesikhathi afike ngaso lapha, so I just hope bazomnikeza isikhathi.
And mina just to add ku Coach Atta, I think another strength anaso Coach Atta is the eye to see talent. Because I'm saying this looking back at the players that he brought Kaizer Chiefs from the development. The players that you are raving about now at Kaizer Chiefs are players that were promoted by him. Just that he never got the chance to make them play better and gel and adjust to playing for Kaizer Chiefs.
But it's the pressure also Kaizer Chiefs
But if you look at the talent that is brought in, you can tell Gucci he's someone who's able to scout. And if you are a coach and you can't see I'm a player, then you have a problem. But he can see I'm a player. So going to next season, I'm sure he's going to bring more of his own players, and the players that are at Mazulu lawa mhlamba watholile bewangadlali like abo extend beba struggle. So he brought them back.
That's why ngithi even Human, I mean, he scored a lot of goals. He was assisting. He's too involved now. Brooks at some point ule what deep and then what revive or
so he does have that. So let's see what he does next season.
And then again Imagesi, what's your take on Imagesi? I mean, to promote this season and beating team njenge Sundowns and winning i Carling Cup. But after the win, after they won the cup, yeah, bayiziseka kancane and yeah, they lost a lot of points. Big ngathi bazobuyela phansi, but by signing coach Owen Dagama and also taking their home games eSishego lapha kuseslaughter out since baqala ukudlalela lapha eSishego mabaqeda iPSL meceda ukuyi-approve leya ground and no coach Dagama I think they've won a lot of their games lapha yana eSishego mdlalo. So ucabanga ukuthi yini into mhlambe ebeyingathi yabaphazamisa njengoba bebaqeda ukuwina icup, because yeah, they did very well.
I wouldn't know exactly what was the problem, but we all heard the rumors ukuthi they were not paying the players well.
No, actually ngayo le final le ulong coach
Clinton
coach Clinton sizothini konje kufuna legama le English leli allegedly
yeah
uhambiswe. It's one of the reasons ukuthi number 1 naye bebangamhafi grand and kuyo le prize money bayiwinile mangizwa bathi ama player athole aboma 5,000
angitshela
yabona ukuthi ukusa lokho
ukudlala ngabantu
ukusa maqeda babaqeda ukuwina i-trophy bathatha labafana bakhohle ukutrainer bahamba wonke inkosi zalapha basatrain manje. Yeah, that's what happened, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
ukuthi la semthe abafethu mele sijime iliki iall
akusajima
bahamba amahosi waya ithi hey bafethu kodwa hey yazi abanye abantu abalazi ibhola again.
Yeah,
so those allegations mdladla akhona lapha yana.
Yeah.
And I mean uCoach Clinton bengeka hambe, he just won a trophy vele if lela allegations is bengasiva nabe bagcwele yonke ilimpopo lapho, which is fine, they won the trophy, but uhamba wonke amahosi ilimpopo yonke nibojima nini labafana.
fine.
So this kind of things yilezinto ile behavior le Dr. Patrice Motsepe mdlala uthe makangena athatha iSundowns wayisho straight ukuthi akayifunde because ama player ne career short career ushilo luyababa uthama.
Yeah,
Sonke sathi hayi uyaclaima naye uyakhumbula makasafika singakamazi nathi hayi uyaclaima siyazazi le inkulu, and I mean he's paying his players well. Why can't they do the that when I'm fit and uwenka Dagama yini if boyibukela imagazine mdladla yini into right ayenzile to change approach imagazine and to start getting ama results because all Dagama bathi old school bathi warm up yakhe nikijima ama ground ay 45 minutes warm up. Yeah, but nishange warm up nikala nesikhathi ukuthi mina nishaya ama round ay 10 na 5 minutes ama ground ay 2. And naye okay we umbone kanjani because clearly based on our results he has done well. Mara mina ithi ngikutshele manje ne on this show next year ngeke ayicede season.
Yeah, Ntwana, I mean, I'll tell you, I had written the obituary for the team in Magesi, and Pela Owen, I'll big ups to him too.
Yeah, no.
He surprised a lot of people, including myself. I'm not a fan of Owen Dagama. From the olden days, Vele, from his coaching, his methods of training, like I'm not a fan.
I'm a soldier, Baba.
Ntwana, that man can make you run, Baba. If you are not a runner, you'll never play for that coach.
You are fit, but I'm petty baller during the game. You don't know what to do. Hey, fit blind. You never coach. Hey, we are here, man. I'm all pet to pass the opponent. Yeah.
But how he did it, I don't know. But I think his strength is to make players fit. So he believes the good.
Maybe physical trainer.
Yeah. So that's I believe Gucci believed Gucci mele bagithi him to win games, and mabaya lesishiro remember Owen ukuthi uqala ukucoacha kuboma Black Leopards. So he understands ama conditions we weather yale. So uzokudlalisa ngo 3 o'clock and they will make sure ukuthi bayakupressa,
Bayagijima,
they run, they tire you. You understand? And that's how they made sure ukuthi bawina ama games and big ups to him for me. He was the biggest surprise of the league. Yamanje, the biggest, and I think it did well for them. Mina vele bengithi bayahamba labantu.
Yeah, nami benginayo lento le ukuthi especially futhi ucoach makaceda ukuresign after that All-Star game.
Yes.
Ebayidlalile but they need to start respecting management or chairman imagezi nani. The treatment I treating ngayo Clinton mela stop.
It's bad.
Yeah, it's bad. You aba appreciate.
Yeah.
Umuntu ayenza umsebenzi omuhle kanje. Okay, but no coach Owen uzamile but angimbona azoyiceda isizini ya last next year. Angisho uyithole vele sekuzo yabona sokuphakathi wancenga yena mfiti hayi coaching yakhe mdladla hayi no amajita bhaya coach umjita hayi bayakhala ukuthi hayi awuzwa next uyazicoacha lapha yeah kahle wena une knowledge ukudlula icoach hayi no bathi akekho mina no mina ngimazi akazi wonke but a lot of them from Highlands Park nana sasekwa habe bakhala mdladla bathi hayi lo muntu lo hayi okay mdladla ama team angidisappointile Cape Town City SuperSport United mfethu bafethu kwenzakaleni bafethu kwenzakaleni lama team lawa mfethu bewahlala ku top 8 number 5 number 4 but this year kubhedile mfethu and uThinkla baze bamcombigate waya kusikhukhune and naye naye ngamthembi ngifuna aqale nesizini ungadidwa yile nhlanhla le uyangithola awuthiyami ungadidwa yile nhlanhla le because uSiyama team yakhe bese ihlangene
team kaSiyama
le no singadidwa ukuthi ingamla or team kaSiyama akakayenzi next yes uwinile lama game nyana ama win it's fine naku ku number 1 ukugcine ku number 4 it's fine but akusi team yakhe and I will never say ulethe uchange uchinjo because it was very short mdladla lo muntu uceda ucashwa my 2 months ago so uzocala neseason but very disappointing from SuperSport and Cape Town City mdladla this season
you can say that again if you see a coach like Kevin Hunt I don't believe with Bamkoshile. I think he resigned because he could see which there's so much he can do because season in season out I think SuperSport for the past 6-7 seasons they've been selling players and then this thing catches up with you. You can have Kevin Hunt is one of the most experienced coaches in the Premier League. He knows how to win the league and for the past few seasons he's tried to keep the ship steady with the young players that were busy coming in at SuperSport. But fact of the matter is that you can't play with inexperienced players season in, season out. Somehow it will catch up with you.
But naku mdladla baba just ukungena mfethu emlomeni sorry. Sayile mabuye bani konje lo mfana ufana no Peter Ndlovu ngathi incosi ka Peter Ndlovu uJukamayo ngathi incosi ka Peter Ndlovu uJukamayo la uTyson umdoko
ntwana don't say that
awutham with all due respect uTyson uTyson uvele wachinja uTyson ama mistake awenza ucosta i-team lamfana lo look at ibhola elishawe manje igame against Richards Bay
akusubi rust intwana
awutham no ube exposed ku Pirates uhlatshwa if ukhumbula ku Vets he was a solid defender mdladla I don't want to lie I can't take that away
captain of Bafana
he was a solid defender uthe maka ku Pirates mdladla beka i-cost Pirates every week like wenza ama error wentwana encane bheka namanje lentwana le umbuthuma i-first goal against i-Richards Bay
le
ntwana umbuthuma ivele ibhola livele ngaka right yes bashaya icross yazi lento yenzeni beyimeso naye bameso ne mayiza le cross lentwana le yashaya irun yeza kanje emove he was not even aware ukuthi lentwana ikuphi nani njobe ishange
Imbamba ngebucket run.
imshange nibizana le run
Yeah, bucket run.
yeah bamshange bucket run like wenza ama error wentwana encane awuthamba uyazi angithanda ukukhuluma abantu kabi but umjida ka retire
Eish.
hayi wenza ama mistake a serious lo mfana a serious and emdala
Akusubu rusty ntwana, I'm asking
kusho ukuthini uburasti cala yini
Angithi he hasn't been playing, Joe. He only came back now under
yebo nalo muntu uqale ku Pirates imhambiseleni phela ngisho ngiyakutshela ukuthi ube exposed ku Pirates ukuthi akamnandanga la yana ku Pirates and bekungena nabantu bekusase yi lockdown cabanga ngibeke nama fans bekubanjani bekuwenza cabanga mfethu lo muntu bekungena ama fans bekungena ama fans phela ngilockdown ku Pirates ama mistake bekawayenza mdladla no namanje like mdladla I-experience eyani I can't say he's an experienced player because he's doing ama error adom even the
second goal.
The second goal
Yeah,
even the
Lewal
second
Tasha
goal
Raj.
lo mfana nje obalithatha beka ufunani lapha ku center line he was not supposed to be there why ucommita uyibonile le goal
I saw the goal, yeah.
another two yama error kulama goal la abuya kuyi I'm not saying okay yes I know ukuthi defending icala from the striker nani but ama error wayenza mhla now lama goal wayi2 esikhuluma ngawo manje and lama mistake wayenza week in week out uyawa master lama mistake uyawa master so angeke ucoach angacoshwa
Yeah.
uphethe abantu abaso
Yiba bacoshisa ama coach.
bakhamba bakuluzisa umsebenzi la
Joy. Yeah, yakuzwa ntwana. Eish.
mara wena uthini mdlali
Mina,
okay I'm blaming yena I won but
Yeah.
but ama mistake awenza mdlali like I've been honest here bafethu like wenza ama mistake like une experience I mean he's an experienced player I respect him mdlali but he's been bad from Pirates he's been bad.
Yeah, but the super sport now ntwana, I would say nami they are the biggest disappointment for me. Never in my life I thought I would see super sport fighting relegation.
And if phela uMamkhize kayenzanga naye le flop lakhe
Who knows?
akwenzela uyabona ukuthi
Yeah, phela
phela
you're
manje
right
se-
because if you look at who's the coach kwenye beka coach team kaMamkhize what's the guy beka coach le team le Royal AM
beku ulo uMaduka
Umaduka.
no
The guy is a
no
good
no-
coach.
no Abraham
Bengeke abe lapha abantu Abraham. Bengeke babe ku relegation.
yeah
Bengeke.
hey
Uyathola? So it means bekuyoba super sport ne Cape Town City le phansi.
hey
One wabo ngabe sekahambile manje.
namanje abantu bambonge kabi uMamkhize I'm sure noma
ngithola-
bangamtshelanga because manje uMamkhize uoccupyile isport se automatical relegation so at least manje noma balwa bayazi ukuthi okay sasene another 3 games yama playoffs esoyidlala but I think ucoach Gavin mina in my view ku super sport I think I think intwana ezincane iyamshaya dayile.
Yeah.
If we are check ama team waka coach Hunt Mdlali
Yeah.
even at the Kata winning league 3 times in a row in the super sport there was more experience less youngsters bebakhona
Yes,
labo nalabo 1 or 2 but yena I think he's more comfortable you playing with
experience.
experienced players abantu angasadingi ukubatshela into eziningi abaseba
Yeah, he would put 3 or 4 youngsters, but
yeah
the core of the team would be
abantu vele
who know how to win.
who know how to win and Cape Town City njoba ngishilo ngithi coach Eric Tinkler ubamba ihlathi team ka Steve ka CM le nje noma uphume number 4 mina personally angimgayi any credit uzomgayi credit makacala nayo kule season entsha enzi pre-season then sibone because that team was already solid inkinga zaka CM it was just those personal things between yena and the club
And the team,
we understand but it was not like he was a bad
was a
coach,
bad coach, no.
because since na isikhukhuni libele kubo number 4 number 5 number
consistently so.
exactly that's why ngithi it was personal things between management no CM. So I won't okwamanje I won't give credit to Ulo Eric Tinkler against Ile for isikhukhuni. Okay. Nani futhi mdlali
Continue giving credit, Baba. Coach Steve Barker.
Yeah. Steve Barker, of course, Stellenbosch, they've maintained. Very consistent, eh? Yeah?
No,
No. That team is very consistent.
He's teaching everyone ukuthi Ntwana work with what you have and do the best with what you have.
Yeah, no, that's very true. That's
Yeah,
very
no,
true.
he's-
Their team is consistently.
Yeah.
And he's lost 4 or 5 players in the last 2 seasons, top players.
Yeah. But he's able to.
But he's been there. Now he did well, and congratulations no manga iwinanga I Confederation Cup mdlala for ne derby season yabo.
Yeah.
Nintwana encane kanje,
Intwana
nesquad
ezincane.
esincane kanje
Yeah.
mfethu, to reach a semi final and to beat Zamalek Egypt.
Yeah.
To beat Zamalek Egypt.
It's not a child's play.
It's not a child's play. So yeah, uthini ke overall player of the season for you mhlambe defender of the season oyicabangayo nje, midfielder of the season mase sesizoyivala mdlala nje ucabangela because sisazokhuluma ngabo kahle mase ama final
singangeni kakhulu, but just nje player of the season, I'll give it to Ribeiro. He was consistent
ngegame
and he
Pirates.
was- and
umnikeza ukuthi ukorela ball ngegame Pirates or beka consistent.
no, he was consistent. He's even scored 15 goals.
Yeah, he's a top goal scorer.
So he's been performing very well for his Sundowns.
No, nami
And he
yeah, no.
was- yeah.
No, hayi bengukutuza nje mina.
Yeah,
Ngifuna
yeah.
ukudosa nje. Bengukutuza hayi
Yeah.
nami ngamnika
Bese ukale Ntwana le urile young player
or players player.
or players player.
Yeah, urile ngamnika players player. Maybe ikhona most improved. Ikhona isasekhona most improved. Yeah, because if bekhona benganikeza uTitus weStellenbosch le Ntwana le idlalile bafethu. He's one of the players abe very consistent. Yeah, for Stellenbosch. Imnandi le Ntwana.
Yeah.
Imnandi and mangicheka I-defender ucabanga bani? Mina ngicabanga le Ntwana le yeStellenbosch ubani konje
Muloisane.
Muloisane.
Yeah.
I think in my view he had a great
Yeah, he
season.
had a great
He had a
season, yeah.
great season.
Yeah, no, ngivumelana nawe nami lapho. Yeah, he had a great season Muloisane. And also why Mara we never speak about Lomchita lo the right back at Sundowns. Mudau.
Yeah, umnandi. Umntawu mfana evergreen.
I think
Evergreen ayathesha le.
he's the best right back. Ngasho futhi ukuthi he's competing with the players in the world, not just in South Africa, but in the world football. Mina leyo mjita lo yethu, I don't know why angayodlala eEurope simbone azithestele mfethu because isikhathi sesambile for yena, but he's one of the best players I've seen in a very long time. Leyo mjita lo mfethu.
Kaizer Chiefs ayikho ku top 8 mfana sesizoyivala. Unabi uthi ngiliwinile I-trophy, which means ngiachievile something because for the last 10 years Chiefs ayiwinanga for goal. Wena uyavumelana ngale nto esho.
Ngiyavumelana naye mfethu. Remember ukuthi ushilo ukuthi mfethu ngisazobuilda. So yile nto lebesisho ukuthi uRibeiro makafika uthe ngiyabuilda bamnikeza i3 years and makafika bawina iTrophy. Wabamba umoya.
Oh yes.
Uyangithola?
Okay.
Angithi uyabuilda.
Yeah.
Second season wawina iTrophy futhi.
Wawina amanye futhi
Wawina
ama-trophy
amanye
kahle
futhi.
kahle. Yes.
Uyangithola? So let them do the same ngalomjita lona naye because uSizulu stats akhulume ngaso future was not even aware of.
No, I told you. I did
Yeah.
told you ngale stats. I think in some of our episodes ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs it's the third team this season ku-PSL a creator ama-chance but bona the
And if they
difference
were
ukuthi
converting those
if they were
chances, they'd be
exactly.
high
No,
up
ngike
there.
ngayisho in one of our episodes. Yes, I
Yeah.
know those leso stats.
And
Yes.
people might think it's an excuse, but one player Joe can change the season yakho. Just one player. So they needed a striker, a finisher at Kaizer Chiefs, because if you look gahle, they were not too bad. Njengoba asho ukuthi they were not converting their chances.
Yes. No, ama-stats ayasho. It's not us. It's there, man.
Yeah.
It's Sundowns, it's Pirates, and Kaizer Chiefs. The most teams create scoring opportunities in the PSL this season. But the difference between these two, the Pirates and the Sundowns, bona bayawa convert,
Yeah.
Chiefs ayawa convert. So uthini, do you keep the same players go Kaizer Chiefs or kumele 4-5 yabantu bahambe? Because mina, in my personal view, intwana lezi ezibhaya zalapha namhlanje ziyalikena ibhola, but bafethu, let's just be honest, most of them they don't deserve to play for Kaizer Chiefs. They are good players. Uyangizwa? They are good players, but not for Kaizer Chiefs. Ngivala lapho mina. Angifuni ukumention amagama. Abantu bayabazi, siyababona week in week out. Libele sibabonile for the past all these years.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs mfethu kumele ibuyise scouting sabo mfethu, because I think I'm not bashing uKaizer Junior because we sports director, but I feel ama signing wabo.
But who scouts for Kaizer Chiefs?
That's why ngisho I don't know manje. Remember phela nangalesikhathi nathi sisadlala even naku reserve mfethu bekuphuma itaxi. Uyakhumbula besithatha from Daveyton, enye taxi iphuma eSoweto, enye taxi iphuma eAlexandra. You understand?
Yeah.
That was Kaizer Chiefs. Uyabona bephethe proper players as a Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
We understand. But manje angifuni
Angifuni kuba controversial.
angifuni kuba controversial, but a lot of players as a Kaizer Chiefs kumele zivayida baletha amanye ama player out yami. Ngizoyivala lapho. Most of them, they are good players for other teams,
Yeah.
not for Kaizer Chiefs.
Angikuzwile ntwana. Ngikuzwile boyivale.
Wena njalo mangikhuluma ngeChiefs yangempela. Bafethu. Hayi besizicocela ke Vandag ngeleague bafethu. Congratulations again to all the teams eziqualified for the top 8. And congratulations again for ama team awinile ama cup, Magesi, Chiefs, obviously Sundowns, the defending champion, keeping the standard very high. Keep it that way. Yani phezulu futhi kakhulu. These guys, they must catch up. And again, Pirates, at least you win the trophy M10-8. And congratulations again for all those 4 teams as this representer in the continent. Next season, masidlala ama game wase Africa vele bafethu, we support our teams. Only nje domestic la sinokhwebhana khona nje kancane lapha nalapha yana. Yabona, but yeah, and congratulations to the nominees for ama PSL awards, ama Chita Dlale Grand, and yeah, sizolinda ama final list wama nominations sibone. But yeah, Ribeiro he is a favorite to win the player of the season. I think he has done well. Yeah, I think he has done well. But for you too, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiskiring us, Bafetu, we engage, we educate, and we entertain Bafetu. And siyabonga futhi kakhulu for your support. Our show iyakhula Bafetu, every day, every week siyakhula Bafetu, and without you akavele asi nix, uyabona. So bengithi nje namhlanje in this episode ngicela nje ukubonga ukuthi ngicela nichubeke nis-support, and nathi will make sure ukuthi sinikeza i-content right njengoba nazi ukuthi sidila nge-triple-E, entertain, engage and educate. Namhlanje ke this episode besikhuluma nje nge-PSL. Siyabonga bafethu for i-support. Yeah iyakhula iJabu Mahlangu and
Yeah,
discussion this.
and isicela ni register lapha ku Betjet. Yabona
Please.
Betjet is helping us to bring you ama guest right. So please guys, register lapha ku Betjet so that you can get the best guest guys. Siyazi baningi enibafunayo but some of them we can't afford them guys. So please help us to bring those guys by registering ku Betjet.
Hayi uyibekile bafethu mase sesivala ke this episode was brought to you by Betjets. Click the link below to register and use code JAB11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bet bonus. Okay. Use the code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register bafethu ku Betjets, of course supported by iSharp Sharp. Yeah, siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, shuffling Diski Ringers besihlafuna indaba ze league. We still gonna come back with another episode. Yabuma player of the seasons, defender of the seasons, etc. Keep supporting us bafethu. Siyancanywa. It's a wrap. Adios. Danko.
Vale, danko.
Showcase.